Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E6S. In this video I'll show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Now enter it. And thanks to Files app, you've got access to all of your files in downloads, images, videos, audio, document and others, apps, and also you can check your internal storage. And recent. In Share, you can fast share files without the internet to your friends, and also you can receive them. In Clean, you can clean the junk files and sort the large files in your phone. If you go to menu, you've got access to more specific info about share recipients and saved space. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.